know when I tell you, okay? This stuff just lights my heart up, my spirit, my soul. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to show you this stuff, but I just wanted you to feel this good old energy, okay? Because, you know, energy is contagious. Child, you ready for this? I hope you're ready. Okay, honey, sit down because I don't want you to just fall over. Okay, when I show you these items, I don't want you to just fall. Okay, you take a seat. Okay, before I get into these items, let me show you them. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious, phenomenal, magnificent day. If not, I want to remind you, your life is going to get better. Once you get better, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. So today we are at Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have inside. I know Dollar Tree, this Dollar Tree is going to have something new, something fun, something exciting. See, this is our affirmations before we get into Dollar Tree. Okay, let's see what they have. So as I enter, I'm telling myself we're not here for nothing. We just doing a haul. Okay, so first up, item of the week, they have the Old Orchid apple cider juice. Okay, juice cocktail from concentrate. They also have these iced coffee drinks, caramel and maca. Okay, and then also the hot cocoa, milk chocolate, and also marshmallow. Okay, so Dollar Tree, look, do you see these ornaments? Now, I told you guys time and time again, green is my favorite color. Okay, so they have two ornaments for $1.25. The green, absolutely, I love it. Okay, then they also have their blue, the blue acorn. You see this? Okay, and then the red. Child, get into this red. Child, wait, hold on. Hold on. Are you sitting down? I don't want you to fall over. Child, look, you see this gold? Child, I don't even celebrate Christmas, but it feels in my spirit that I just want to buy one of these just to put them up in my house somewhere. Okay? Look at this gold. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I get that they have this Santa, but come on, child. Where's the black Santa? Okay? All right? Then they also have the tree topper. Cute. How cute is this? They also have the silver one. Child, look at this. The little trailer. Really, really nice. I absolutely love it. Child, look at the boots. You see these boots? Okay, these ornaments. 2 for $1.25. Honey, get into the birds. Okay? The birds is speaking to you. Okay? Now, this child, you better get into this. You see this? The snowman. Okay, or the snow boy. Really, really, you see that? Honey, she ain't playing. Okay? Well, Santa, she's an elf. Child, you better get it. And look up at the top. Okay? The gingerbread man. Child, you wasn't ready for this. You wasn't ready for this. Because, honey, I wasn't. I know I'm always saying they always have something new for me. But, child, you see these gates. Look at these. Child, I'm just speechless. And I can see somebody and I can hear somebody now saying it's good, okay? I'm just speechless. Look at this stuff. I don't know which one to touch, okay? They all look good, okay? That's how good they look. Look at this. I know these people in here. But that's okay, honey. Let me tell you something. Energy is contagious, okay? And you feeling good, don't you dare turn your light down, okay? Don't you dare turn your light down because other people ain't feeling good, all right? Look at this. This will do it. This will do it. This snowflake. This will do it. Ooh, honey. Okay, look at the white balls, okay? Look at these. These are so cute. Chill. Ooh, the snowflakes. How cute is this? Very cute. They also have the icicle ornaments. Really cute. So 10 pieces comes for $1.25, and they have blue. Oh, child, that's the only color they have, blue. Okay, and they also have some more snowflakes, okay, and this is $1.25 as well. They also have this. They have a pack, okay, of snowflakes for 6 pieces for $1.25. Over here, they have the little bells, okay, the little gift boxes. Really, really cute. The little candy canes. I absolutely love this, okay. And then I had showed you guys these ornaments last time when we was in here, okay. You get how many? Because I don't want to be on here lying. 15 ornaments for $1.25, and they come in different colors, different themes. Really, really cute. This red right here, I'm definitely feeling this. This is, but honey, that green is on my team. Green is my color, okay. And then they also have these little ornaments right here that says Merry Christmas, 5 pieces for $1.25. They also have these decorative bells, 16 pieces for $1.25 as well. They have more decorative bells, okay, that comes in different colors, gold, silver, whatever you need, they got it. Red, $1.25, okay. But get into these. I absolutely love these, okay. 16 pieces for $1.25. Now this appears to be the only color that they currently have right now, this, and let me see. Oh, this is blue. Blue, I see you. Okay, this blue is really cute. Okay, so Dollar Tree have these lace table runners, okay, in black, and this is pretty much how it's going to look. Really, really cute. They also have this tinsel decor right here with the bat wings. This is new. This is actually the first time I'm seeing this. This is cute. And also look at the boo hat. Now we've seen the boo hat prior in other Dollar Trees, okay, but this is so cute. They also have, I guess, the witch shoes, I guess. Okay, the boot, really cute. They also have the tinsel pumpkin. How cute is this? Okay, so this Dollar Tree, they have a much wider selection, variation. Okay, look at this. So they have the pumpkin, the decorating kit. Honey, I'm getting so excited. The words, they not flowing the way I want them to, okay? They also have the pumpkin decorating kit. Look at this one, okay? The female pumpkin. This, honey, this is the angry pumpkin. Honey, if you walking around looking like this, you need to start looking at the things that you have in your life and being grateful for those things, because if you walking around looking like this, honey, you operating from what you currently have and what you say you don't want, okay? So we want to be like this, okay? They also have this pumpkin. This is the happy pumpkin, okay? Then they have this pumpkin decorating kit right here. This is cute, fancy pantsy mancy with the little beret, okay? Very nice. So since I just seen that Christmas stuff, now I'm back to Halloween. I'm like, come on, okay, all right. But these are cute. These window decorations. Boo! Look at the little ghost with the with the leprechaun shoes. Okay, cute. How cute is this? Very, very nice. Okay, so Dollar Tree have this harvest decor. This is cute. I absolutely like this. Then I'm just trying to see, like, where would you put this? Or you could buy one of those glass vases that they have, and you could, honey, your creativity could come all the way out. Okay, and this is $1.25, 12 pieces. Over this, we talked about this, we discussed this OxiClean mini pen. Honey, if you need something to get stains out, this would do it, okay? $1.25. I had showed you guys, I did the demonstration when I was in a laundromat, my youngest daughter's sneakers, okay? This pen is the truth. If your local Dollar Tree has these pens, you may want to grab you a few. Okay, so these are absolutely gorgeous. These Fun Pack Assemble light glow sticks, okay, last for hours. This is cute. Now, I don't know if Dollar Tree just recently received these, because this is like my first time seeing some of these, especially these. Okay, these 6 right here. Okay, you get 5 pieces for $1.25, and child, look how they look. Okay, they look really good. And then they also have the longer sticks over here. You get 5 pieces as well, and these are the necklaces. So this reminds me of my children's school. Okay, so my children, they have this Halloween party at night, and it's called Trick or Trunk. Okay, and they be selling these and stuff like that. Honey, I may just buy my own. Okay, glow in the dark sticks for $1.25. You get 5 pieces. Okay, they also have this glow ball for $1.25 for the kids. How cute! All right, so we always see like the dolls and stuff like that, but look at these little the toys for the boys. Okay, Adventure Squad. Honey, this is cute. Okay, includes speed swim fins. Okay, child. I don't know what oh, I guess it would be these. Okay, cute. Okay, so we talked about these mugs before. Okay, now Dollar Tree just put some back out. These are so cute. Right now I'm in my skull era. Okay, all right, now what does that mean? Honey, everything that has a skull on it, a bottle, a glass, a cup, a sock, a shoe, I like. Okay, so this is definitely new. Okay, this is the Clorox Cherry Birds gel air fresheners. Okay, these are new. Now they used to have the other ones. What was the other ones? Was the other ones Glade? I think it was Glade, but now they have the Clorox ones. Okay, so here we go again. This edge and braid gel, definitely brought one earlier today. I'll give you guys the update on how well it works. Okay, but it was very interesting because it said edge and braid gel. Okay, strong hold. No running, non-greasy, controls flyaways. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys the update on this. Dollar Tree also have this split end fixer, helps repair damaged hair. Okay. They had another one that did something else. I don't see it though, and I think these are the only 2 that's left. And this is a new product, by the way. Dollar Tree said you need pillow covers. You want to spend $1.25 or you want to spend $20. Okay, all right. You want to get fancy pansy or you wanna go broke. Okay, all right. You want to get fancy pansy and stay on your budget, honey. Come through Dollar Tree, $1.25. Okay, they have it in black and in gray. Okay, so I just have to say this again. We talked about this spray. We talked about the Brazilian Mist. Okay, it smells absolutely good. I have this one, and then they also have the Power Stick, a Cool Blast All Day Fresh Body Spray. Okay, I haven't tried this one yet, but this one I tried, definitely good. Okay, so these definitely looks new. This sensitive skin makeup remover. Okay, and it's 25 wipes for $1.25. This is definitely new. As you can see, honey, it's stocked very well. Okay. Okay, it just really excites my heart when I see this. Okay, so Dollar Tree have these LA Colors Jelly Gloss. Okay, and this is the watermelon scent. And they have different scents. Okay, so the watermelon they have. They also have the grape scent. And I think that's it, watermelon and grape. But they also have this lip gloss, okay, applicator. And this is the shimmer lip gloss, okay. And I think they have, yeah, they have different smells. So this one pretty much says Sweetie. This one says Sugar Ray, okay. And this one in the back, honey, this one in the back, all the way in the back. This one says Frosted. Really, really good. Oh, okay, so they have some more lip balms and lip glosses. Okay, so this one right here, I think I said candied, all right? But they also have the chocolate. Girl, get into this chocolate. Okay, you see this chocolate? This, just the packaging alone, okay, it does it for me. So if you see these masks at your local Dollar Tree, you may want to get these if you into the mask, because these sells really, really quick. Okay, so they have the butterfly mask, the cream looking color. They also have the black mask, okay, with the butterflies. All right, and I believe those are the only two colors that they pretty much, oh no, they also have the green. Wake me up for brunch. I know that's right. Don't wake me up for any old thing. Wake me up for when the food is done, okay? Really, really cute. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the skeletons. Now, we've seen the skeletons before, the white ones, okay, but these skeletons are glow in the dark, okay? So they have the orange, the green, and then they also have the white. So these measuring spoons are so cute. I had brought a pack when I was in here last time. Okay, so it's 6 pieces for $1.25. They're colorful, bright. Honey, colors will do it. If you in a downstate, colors gonna do it for you. All right, so Dollar Tree has these containers and lid. These looks really, really good. $1.25 clip lock closure, okay? And I also showed you guys the glass bowls that Dollar Tree have. Dollar Tree ain't playing with y'all, okay? Dollar Tree is okay with me. Okay, so these are the glass containers. These puts me in a mind of Purex, I think it's called. Look at these containers. Okay, the glass storage containers, $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the Hello 4 oven mittens. Okay, those are really, really cute. They also have the pot holders. Really, really cute. Absolutely love it. Okay, so I showed you guys last time the hair extensions that they have for the little girls for the Halloween. Okay, really cute. So they have brown, okay, blonde, blue, purple. Okay, really cute. And then they have the like the little tutu. Oh, wait, hold on, child. Oh yeah, this is the little skirts, okay, and the disguise glasses, really, really cute. Guys, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite item was in the Dollar Tree, okay? Mine's definitely was the Christmas decor. Honey, that really did something to me, okay? When I seen all those decorations, child, okay? Some parts I was just speechless. I couldn't even get the wording right because the stuff looked so good, okay? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.